Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to make text fade in Premiere Pro. So it's actually pretty simple. So this is my text clip, it says girl, and here is my video clip. Double click the track where you have the text, and then in order to make it fade out, you have to go over here to this line which represents opacity. So then press Command or Control if you are on Windows, and create this point. Press again and create another point. Now drag this point all the way to the corner. And now from here to here, the text will be disappearing. So text is fading. I will mute this layer so you can see better. Text is disappearing. You can also make your text appear. Just the same thing. So text fade in. And text fade out can last longer if you put the ramp longer. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.